In this video, I'm gonna talk about and show you guys 6 pieces which I picked from Cooves very recently. So this is essentially a Cooves shopping haul. But however, please stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm gonna explain why you should be really careful when ordering from the Cooves the very next time. What's up my stylish people, this is Seshank. Welcome back to the channel, the best place for shopping hauls, outfit inspiration, shopping and styling tips for men. If you're new here, please consider subscribing not to miss out on any content like this. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Trust me guys, you will be amazed to know for how much I got these pieces. I got almost all of the pieces which I show in this shopping haul for less than 500 rupees. Coming to the piece number 1, and let's start with the sweatshirts. Ideally, is this the season for the sweatshirts? And of course no. And why I got this? Because I got this for a very good price, and always that is the tip guys. Whenever you are doing any purchase, consider these as investment and buy off-season pieces, because these are the pieces, the knitwear, the winter pieces will be heavily discounted during the summer time. Make sure that you buy the versatile pieces. These are vertical stripes in a black color with white and yellow stripes to it, and most of the pieces which you're going to see in this video are vertical stripes. As simple as it sounds, I love striped t-shirts, shirts and sweatshirts and even the trousers guys. That's the reason I bought most of the pieces from this shopping haul, the vertical stripes one. The color combination guys, I'm in love with it. I got this in a size of medium. Coming to the price, this is 1500 and I got this for a price of 400 or 450 guys, and this fits very well, albeit with one drawback is the ribs, be it at the end of the sleeves, be it at the neck area, or be it at the end of the sweatshirts. Those are already loose guys, and they tend to get even more with time. That is the reason, even though it fits well, it may not be looking good on any one of us because of the poor quality of the fabric they have used for the ribs. If you don't like the aspect of loose ribs when it comes to the sleeves as well as when it comes to the neck area or at the end of the sweatshirt, you must skip this, or else you're good to go. Moving on to the sweatshirt number 2. This is a statement piece guys. I can't stress enough time guys. Buy versatile pieces and also make your style versatile by trying out pieces like this. And why I have included this particular piece, because of this metallic color blocking. This is a black and metallic gray color blocked sweatshirt with a zipper to it, and I am in love with this color just for 2 reasons. One, black being the neutral base, and coming to the metallic, this is a trend which is picking up very recently guys. This has started maybe 6 or 10 months back, but it's picking up very fast as of now. Most of the fast fashion outlets, if you see, they have this trend going on in the shirts, t-shirts and even the trousers. So I wanted to make sure that I wanted to include this at a much affordable price point. Sweatshirt is priced at 2500 and I got it for a price of 600 guys. If you don't like the collar, standing collar, just you can fold it and you can dress it that way. Coming to the quality of this sweatshirt, the quality is optimum, not too great or not too bad. If you see this very closely, you can see the mesh. The black material, whatever it is there, it is like a mesh kind of material, and it is a little bit see-through that you have to consider while buying this. Moving on to the piece number 3. It is a vertical striped sweater with a high neck in a color of green and black with a stripe of white to it. And this I got it in a size of medium. This is priced at 1499. I got it for an absolute bargain of 400 to 450 rupees. Overall, it fits on the relaxed end. I just like the oversized aspect of it. If you are into that vibe, this is a very good pickup. And when it comes to the knit, generally we have the perception that when we buy something for 1000 rupees or 500 rupees, the knit quality may not be great. Yes, it is not as good as the knit quality of brands like Zara or maybe to the case H&M, but however this will hold really well because I have the turtlenecks from Cooves which I bought last year. When compared to the sweatshirt which is of black and yellow stripes, I like this better because the stripes is a little bit bigger and also being the green contrast with the black. Moving on to the piece number 4. This is a white and blue vertical striped jacket from a brand Blue Saint. This is priced at 18.99 and I got it for a price of 450 rupees. And coming to the fit, it fits a little bit on the boxy end. I have gone for the large size. If I would have gone for the medium size, the fit would have been perfect, but I wanted the little oversized aspect to it. That's the reason I have gone for the large size, and unfortunately the other reason, I'm just lying to you guys, the other reason is the sizes are not available. That's the reason I have gone for the large size. Just I wanted to buy because of the pattern to it. I really like the color combinations of the white and the blue. Instead of going for the dark blue, they have used this blue, which gives a little bit pop to your outfits. So this would be a great pickup, even for a price of 750 to 800, I feel. Moving on to the piece number 5. This is a multicolored printed shirt from Koos in a size of small, and this is priced at 12.99 rupees and I got it for a price of maybe 350 or 360. For that price, it will be a best buy, but however, this shirt may not be versatile, and it gives the street vibe to your outfits. If you're not into that vibe, I would not recommend this shirt. But however, if you want to try different outfits, or if you want to add different dimension to your outfits or to your wardrobe, you will be good to go. And the material is so smooth on your skin, and the fit, it fits on the relaxed end. That gives the ultimate vibe of the street style and the oversized clothing. But however, if you want anything super fitted or anything which is versatile, this may not be a best pickup. I don't know what's the reason they have gone for the button down collar for these shirts. Moving on to the last piece, the piece number 6 from the shopping haul. This is a black vertical striped jewel printed shirt from Koos in a size of small. This is priced at 12.99 and I got it for a price of maybe 380 to 390. This I got it in a size of small. I wish I would have got that in a size of medium. The medium size is not available. This is not relaxed fit. This is a slim fit shirt. The length is a little bit short, and I'm gonna return this shirt just for 2 reasons. One, because it doesn't fit properly, and the second thing, while ordering, I felt the print will look cool, but however in reality the print is not looking that great. And the second reason, the material they have gone for, even though the material is thin, the inside portion of the material, that will be harsh on your skin. If your skin is sensitive, please do not wear this, guys, because just I tried it for 5 to 10 minutes and my skin felt itchy. So I would not recommend this to any one of you guys. Please do not buy this. The quality is really poor for this shirt. I have 2 more pieces which I did not wanted to show seriously. One, I ordered the same blue and white striped Blue Saint jacket from Koos, and this is the condition they have sent me. The collar is almost brown color. It was super dirty to begin with, and this is the time where they need to be really hygienic in terms of what they offer. Because of this pandemic times and everything, hygiene and quality check need to be done. Quality check is like really bad. This is not the first time I am facing this experience from the Koos. I will return this, and there is an option for you guys to return this, but this is unacceptable because like you guys spend so much time ordering the clothes, and then once you receive this, if you receive a quality like this, you have to return this product. And second thing what I need to talk about is the quality and price point. Yes, Koos brand I like the most because they do offer trendy clothing. They incorporate trends from different fast fashion brands, but still they offer at an affordable price point. But the quality they come up with, I have ordered this short. The quality is really bad. I did not wanted to show this in video because if any one of you guys buy this because of seeing in this video, it will be a shame for me. That's the reason I did not wanted to show, but I'm showing this to explain how bad the quality is. Okay, they are giving you for 300 rupees, 200 rupees, and they are giving 70% off. Who asked for? Just charge 100 rupees or 150 rupees more, or give just 50% to 60% off. Just give the trendy clothing to us at an affordable price point, but don't give a poor quality clothing like this, which I can guarantee you it will not last for more than 2 to 3 washes, guys. Few of the pieces from Koos, especially I'm talking about the Koos clothing line. I'm not talking about any of the brands which are offered in the Koos website. They are of really poor quality, and 50% of the pieces, yes, they are of good quality. If anyone from the Koos team, if they are seeing this, just my sincere request is that please do produce clothes which are of good quality and then offer at affordable price. We don't want to buy any clothes which is like 150 rupees or 200 rupees and will last only for a wash, or maybe for 500 rupees and then last for 2 washes. That's not the case. Few other brands, they offer really good quality clothing at an affordable price points. And the third thing which I wanted you guys to know is the return time frames or refund process. Yes, you can return any of this within 15 days, unlike all the other brands which are giving you 30 days. Here you get 15 days. So that is what it is. Okay, that's fine. You're going to return this in 15 days, and then Then the pity thing, you have to wait for almost 25 to 30 days to get your money back. Okay, for example, I may be okay with it to order other pieces with whatever money I have. For example, if you're ordering with whatever money you have, and if you return, you can't wait just 25 to 30 days, because it will take 7 days for the delivery guy just to make sure that the product will start shipping from here to the Coop's warehouse, and then they will initiate the QC check. It will happen for 1 more week, and then they will start initiating your refund process. And after that, bang, 7 working days. Sometimes you may get it a little bit faster, but overall it's a 15 to 20 days process, which is not acceptable in a days where Myntra is giving you refund within 24 to 48 hours and Ajio is giving doorstep refund, guys. The moment the product is picked up, within half an hour to 45 minutes the process is initiated, and sometimes you may get the amount back within few minutes only. So that's how a return process should be. That's how a refund process should work. I just don't want to discourage anyone who wants to buy any product from the Coop's. I just wanted to make sure that you guys consider these aspects before ordering this. This is really important, because it leads to wastage of your time, which is more important than anything. And also your money gets blocked if you don't like the product, and if you feel or if you receive any subpar quality product, or if you want to exchange, it is fine. If you want to return and get a refund, that's a problem. I think enough of this serious talk, and let's get to the normal mode. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. That's it from me. I will see you guys in my next video.